All right. So down here, obviously, my name is Bern. All right. The lead teacher of 88 Tuition for Mathematics. All right. So these are the house rule, which we are not going through it because you already know them already. All right. So welcome, Trisa, to our class today. So we will go into our very first portion, which is last week's homework. So last week we were doing fractions. All right, we were doing fractions, and this was the homework for last week. All right, any one of you attempt this question, and can you please give me the answer? You can actually go to the chat and type in the answer. Go to the chat and type in your answer. All right, Shiloh, thank you for your answer. All right, Shiloh already gave me the answer, and she is correct. All right, Shiloh, can you please on your video, please? Thank you so much. All right, anybody else? Can you please go to the chat and type in your answer? All right. Come on, this was last week's homework. Hello, Rudran. What's up?
I'm good.
You are good. Very good. Good to see you. All right. Hey, children, can you please try this question? This was last week's homework, huh? Oh, yes, Lavenia. Good job. Whoa. All right. Girl power. We have Shiloh and Lavenia. Oh, my goodness. Where are the boys? Rudran. Evan, come on.
I did the homework, but this was not the question.
Yes, this was the question. This was one of the homework. All right. From last week's tutorial. Quick. Go through. Oh, Evan, no. Evan, no. Vanishnavi, oh my goodness. 3 girls. Woo! All right. So girls win. My goodness. Hey, boys. Can you please don't do that to me? At least, you know. Oh, Evan, that's the wrong answer again, but it's okay. Thanks for trying, Evan. All right, children, I got 3 answers already. I'm very happy. Right, let's move into the how to do this question. All right, how to do this question. Come. Mrs. Wendy made 78 muffins. Oh my goodness, I love muffins. All right. But now I'm trying to go on a bit of the weight loss, right? Because I'm a bit heavy. All right. So Mrs. Wendy makes 78 muffins. So this is the total. So the total is 78. So what do I do? All right. I can actually draw a model. Do you know that? I can draw a model. So this model, right, represents the what? This model represents the total. Is that okay? We call this the total. Okay, ready, children? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. All right, come. So what happened? So the total, the total is equal to 78. All right, this is the model. All right, just listen. All right, and here comes the next clue. She gave away 2/3. Hey, what does 2/3 means, children? 2/3 means what? 2 out of 3, right? 2 out of 3. That means, right? That means your model, right? Your model, you must cut into how many parts? Come on, tell me. Your model, how many parts must you cut into? You must cut into 3 parts, right? Because 2 out of 3, right? So you cut it into 3 parts. Nice or not? Very neat, right? And tidy. Yeah, I know it. All right. So 2 out of 3, you cut the model into 3 parts. And 2 out of 3 is given away. Look. 1, 2 is bye-bye. Given away. All right. Bye-bye. Gave. All right. And what is this portion? What is this green color? Curly fries. All right. What is this green color curly fries? This is actually what is left. What is left over? Is that okay? All right. So children, you must understand that not gave means leftover. Not boy means girl. Not man means woman.
Woman.
Right. Not mere means female. Right. So it's the opposite. Must understand. Okay. So gave away is the 2 parts. Hey, children, what do you see? Do you see something? Do you see that down here, right? This whole thing, right, is cut into how many parts? It's actually cut into what?
3 parts.
3 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. Hey, look at the blue versus the blue. Are they the same thing? Yes. Yes. So this we call it 3 units. All right. It represents the same thing, which is 78. Can I purposely find 1 unit first? I can do it. I can. All right. So how do you find 1? For example, children, you got 3 friends. 3 friends share $78. How do you find 1 friend? You have to divide by 3, right? Learn to divide by 3. So down here, $78, you also must divide by 3. Can you understand? All right, that is how you find 1 unit. How do you do the long division? All right, 78 divided by 3. All right, and you can easily find the answer, which is equal to 3 times 2 is a 6. 7 minus 6 is a 1, bring down the 8. 3 times 6 is 18. Woo! Answer 0. No remainder. So 1 unit is actually 26. So what does the 1 unit means? Eee, Avon, what are you eating? Disgusting. Is that chewing gum? All right. If you eat chewing gum, please don't anyhow stick on the MRT station. Please, don't get yourself in trouble. So 1 unit is 26, children. 1 unit is 26, which means that this portion here is 26. This portion here is also 26. This portion here is also 26. But what's the question asking? How many muffins were given away? So given away got how many units? Given away is the 2 units, right? All right. So you can actually find 2 units represents what? 2 units is equal to 26 times 2. And that will give you a 52. All right, muffins. Is that okay, children? So as a P3, right, you should be comfortable to do your division already, children. Don't be afraid. All right, don't be afraid. You can do it one. All right, your multiplication and division must be strong. Is that okay? All right. Strisa, have your school teacher done fractions already in school?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Wow, incredible. All right. So if you have done fractions, right, very good. We are actually finishing fractions also. All right. So this lesson, right, today's lesson, we are actually going into something called time. Time. Tick, tock, tick, tick, tock, tick, 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 tock. All right. So this question can everybody understand? Shouldn't okay or not? Okay, Gisli, okay? Evan, do you understand this question or not? Because you give 2 answers, then both are wrong. Huh? So please understand it, Rudran, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, come. So in future, right, for fractions kind of question, if you don't know, draw your model. It's very useful. Trust me. Shanice, okay, very good. Okay, come. So usually, right, for the lesson, all right, I will always start off with 1 extra question, 1 extra exam question. All right, can you all please try this question? All right, but today our learning objective is about time. It's actually quite a simple topic. Don't worry about it. All right, it's quite a simple topic. Don't worry about it. All right, in primary 2, you have done a bit of time also. All right, and actually the syllabus changes a little bit already. All right, so you just need to learn how to read the digital clock hand already. All right, but in this exercise we still try to teach you about the old clock. All right, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that one. All right, I think it's important. The normal clock, yes. Okay, come. Analog. Wow, very good, Some of you know such terms. Excellent. All right. Very good, Rujan. Okay, come. This is the 1 exam question, 1 extra exam question. All right, it's pick up from one of the good schools. All right, can you please try this?
So laggy.
Evan, can you please be more respectful a bit? All right, if you think it's laggy, right, maybe you can go out and come in again. All right, but you don't have to say that to the whole entire class. Can Evan? Thank you so much. All right, come, children. Can you please try this 1 exam extra question? Just try. All right. If you got the answers, please go to the chat and type in your answer for me, please. Shiloh, do you have a haircut? No. Hey, your hair looks very neat. Sorry. All right. Can you please go and do this question, children? Go to the chat and give me the answer. All right, everybody, try. All right, this is exam question that appears in one of the good school. Try to understand the questions first. All right, you can actually take out a piece of paper and pencil and try to do the question instead of just looking at it. All right. Oh, Rudran, you're close, but nope. Nope, that's the wrong answer, but you're close. Yes, Eamon, I can see that you're using your foolscap paper. That's good. Yes, Vaishnavi. It's actually not 60 divided by 7. Vaishnavi, look at the question. It's not 60. Look.
160.
Yeah. Oh, Lavanya, my goodness. You again. The first person who got it right. Good job. Rudran, no. Rudran, you're guessing. You're not understanding the question. Very dangerous. You're just guessing. You're doing a random guess. The first part, actually, you got it already, but now you're guessing. The second answer, you're guessing already. That's no good. Must try to read the question again. And Vaishnavi, you must learn to divide. It's okay. You can give it a try. Even you're close again. You're close, but it's not the answer. All right, that means you haven't fully understand the question. All right, you give me Rudran's answer also. All right, the rest.
Got 22.
Rudran, don't unmute yourself without permission. You know the rules. The rest, come on, Shanice, any answer? Shrisa? Shiloh, come on. Shuan? Gisli? Read the question carefully, children. Each carton, this is called one carton. Look. This is called one carton. All right, this is called each carton. How much does it cost? All right, one carton. This is called one carton. It costs how much? It costs $7. And $7 inside got how many drinks? $7 inside here got how many drinks? Look, got 3 bottles, right? Can you see that? All right, hey, come on. Seriously, only one Lavanya got it right. The rest, are you here?
Did I get it right?
Rudran, do not unmute yourself, please. This is my second time telling you. All right, if your answer is correct, I would have said that already. All right, at this moment, there's only one person who got it right, Lavanya. The rest, Vanishnavi, not trying? Must be eating. Shuan, yes, working out, trying your best. Good. At least you're trying. Wen-Sing, can you please on your video? Okay. That's Lavanya's working. I don't want to see Lavanya's working because she got the answer already. Shiloh, Ken? Yes, Lavanya, your working is beautiful. Your working is correct. Yes, Rudran, yes! At last. Can you see not, Rudran? If you spend time reading the question again, you got it. But just now you are just too hasty. You just want to answer the question. Then after that, you go and read through the question again. You got it right. Very good. Good job, Rudran. All right, so 2% got it right already. One more person. Okay, so one carton or one box costs $7. And $7, you can buy 3 bottles. All right, even instead of just waiting for the answer, can you try? All right, this is an exam question from one of the school exam paper. It's actually quite simple. All right, but you must be very flexible. You must be very confident to divide. Come, I need one more answer. One more correct answer. Then I'll move on. Oh, Shiloh, nope. Shrisa, nope. But good try. Thank you for trying. All right, so as you can see, right, some of you, right, are really quite positive in willing to try. Yes, Vaishnavi, that is correct. The division is correct, but again, you are still one step short. They're asking how many bottles. Come on, Vaishnavi, you can try one more step only. And Shiloh, I think you're getting it. It's just that you have to read the question properly again. All right, some of you are doing the right steps. It's just quite worrying that some of you are just doing for the sake of doing. Or you're not really finding out the answer. Even is incorrect, but thanks for trying. Come on, one more answer. One more answer. I have Rudran, Lavanya got the right answers already. It's not hard, seriously, it's not. Right, some of you are so close. Hey, come on, I got 10 students here, expecting 3 of you to get it right. It's not difficult. Yes, Vanishnavi, thank you so much. Thank you, Vanishnavi. Wow, okay, come, children. All right, So